It was our first week at Myrtle Beach, where it all began. It was 102, nothing to do, man, it was hot, so we jumped in. We were summertime sipping, sweet tea kissing off of your lips, t-shirt dripping wet. How could I forget watching that blonde hair sway to every song I'd sing? You were California beautiful. I was playing everything but cool. I can still hear that sound of every wave crashing down, like the tears we cried that day we had to leave. It was everything we wanted it to be. The summer of 19, you and me. First dance in the sand.
Wala naman kami ibang wish sa'yo, kundi sana lagi kang maging happy, laging healthy, at saka sobrang thankful kami kasi hanggang ngayon, magkakaibigan pa rin tayo. Thank you sa lahat ng naitulong mo din sa amin, lalo na kay Sander, for being a good friend. Sana wag kang magbabago. Ingat kayo palagi ni Cha. We love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Just always remember that life is a piece of cake. Whatever it tastes like or however it tastes, we'll always take a bite with you. Just always remember that we always have each other's back. Okay, enjoy. See you later. Bye-bye.
Hello kapatid, happy birthday. May God continue to bless you more and I wish you all the best. Pasensya ka na hindi ako makaka-attend sa birthday party mo. Alam mo naman, busy ang beauty ko. Anyway, sana maging happy ka. Have a blast.
Good morning, Zen. Happy birthday. And, well, I miss you. And take care of yourself always, and I'm so proud of you kasi may business ka na, and I know it's gonna be a big success, and I know you're brilliant. I know that you can do everything and anything kasi you're an excellent person, and I miss you, and I love you, and happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, and I hope we're gonna see each other soon, or anytime soon. I miss you, Zen. Bye.
Happy birthday sa isang napakabait, napaka-cute, at napaka-mapagbigay na taong kilala ko. At syempre, yung pinakakamukha ko daw. Pinakakamukha ko. Si Ate Bing, of course. Happy birthday, Ate Bing. I miss you so much na ngayong birthday mo. I wish you good health. I wish you more birthdays to come. At syempre, more blessings. Lagi akong nagpapa-thank you dahil nabigyan ako ng isang titang katulad mo na parang naging kapatid ko na at parang naging second mom ko na. Thank you sa support. Thank you sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin, Ate Bing. Thank you sa love. Sana lagi kayo safe dyan. Ayun. So, sana lagi rin kayo masaya ni Ate Cha dyan. Happy birthday! Oh, I miss you na. I miss you so much. Miss ka na ng carbon copy mo. Ayun. So, happy birthday din daw, sabi nila, Tiny and Tubby. Tubby! Happy birthday, Ate Bing! Oh, you know, happy birthday. Bati ka kay Ate Bing. Dali, bati ka. Happy birthday, Ate Bing. We miss you now. We love you. Mwah!